He has a warrior's heart. This is it for the fall of Rome.
Protect the women and children! Hold the gate!
My son, Lev, and remember who you are. I swear before Odin, I will return.
What if I told you that the Hollywood-style short film playing on your screen right now was made without a single camera? No camera, no script written by a human, no character designer, no artist drawing scene by scene, no editor cutting the footage, and yet in just a few minutes, it had consistent characters, cinematic camera angles, and a complete short drama, start to finish. Here's the part that will really mess with your head. This isn't the 1-minute gimmick. This AI can generate videos up to 10 minutes long or longer. And it doesn't stop there. You can design your own character in stunning, hyper-realistic quality, create your own visual style, and if other creators use what you made, you get paid every single time. This platform is called MagicLight AI. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it step by step and exactly how to turn it into a source of passive income. Stick around because the earning method I'll show you near the end is the part most people skip past, and it's the most valuable part of this whole video. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and search for MagicLight AI. Click the first website that comes up or just use the link in the video description. It's faster and guaranteed to take you to the right place. Once you're inside, you'll see several powerful features. Story Video lets you create narrative story videos. Kid Story Video lets you create story videos aimed at kids. Interview Video lets you create AI-generated interview-style videos, and Short Drama Video is the exact feature used to create the short drama you saw at the start of this video. Scroll down a little and you'll find a library of featured videos you can use as templates. These templates make it incredibly easy to generate similar videos of your own without starting from scratch. Before we build our short drama, let's talk about the part most tutorials never mention: how to earn from this platform. Head to the Asset Store, where you'll find 4 categories you can create and monetize: character, visual style, polish skill, and voice emotion. Click on Character first. You'll see characters other creators have already built and published on the platform. Notice how some characters are trending. Under each one, there's a use number showing exactly how many times that character has been used in other people's videos. You're free to use any of these characters in your own projects too. Want to create your own? Click Create. A pop-up will appear where you enter a name for your character. I named mine Kyle Ironwolf. Paste in your character prompt describing exactly who this character is, and choose a character style from the options on the right, which for me was realistic. Click Generate, and your character comes to life. Take a moment to look at the detail. The facial features and overall quality are genuinely impressive. Don't love the result? Click Edit to regenerate it until it's right. Now for the important part. Once your character is ready, click Apply. You'll see a message confirming your character is ready to publish and get featured, earning you 500 credits instantly. Click Publish, and those 500 credits are yours, completely free. Your published character now lives under My Characters. From this point forward, anytime someone else uses that character in their story, you get paid. You can create and publish as many characters as you want, and each one becomes a small, ongoing income stream. The same principle applies to visual styles. Browse what other creators have made or build your own and start earning from it. To create one, click Create. First, upload between 2 and 10 images that represent the visual style you want under Style Image. Then, write a description of the style under Style Definition. I used ChatGPT to help write mine. Click Next, and the platform will process your images and generate a set of sample outputs based on your uploads, becoming the style you can now apply to any future video you create. Click Next again, give your style a name and description, then click Next one more time. You'll land back on the Publish screen, click Publish, and your style goes live. You can find it anytime under My Styles. From here on out, every time someone uses your style in their video, you earn from it. The Polish Skills section works similarly. It's a library of tools that enhance and elevate your script. Want to build your own? Click Create. write your skills instructions, and click Try It Out to bring it to life. Whenever you want to check how much you've made, head to the Earnings tab where you'll see exactly how much you've earned from your characters and styles being used by others. Scroll down and you'll also see a leaderboard of top earning creators on the platform, ranked by total earnings. Here's the real takeaway. You're not just making videos on MagicLight AI, you're building digital assets that keep earning for you long after you've created them. Even while you're asleep, your characters and styles could be working for you. Now let's actually build our short drama. Go to Short Drama Video and click Create. At the top, you'll see the prompt box along with a choice of the latest AI models, including GPT 5.6, Gemini Flash 3.1, DeepSeek V4, and Qwen 3.5. In this box, you can either type a rough idea for your drama or paste in a full script. I already had a short script written, so I pasted it directly in. There's a 12,000 word limit, which is more than enough room for most projects. Below the prompt box are your settings. Clicking Visual Style opens the full style library, and since I wanted a realistic cinematic fight scene, I selected Cinematic Realistic and clicked Use. Clicking into voiceover settings opens the full voice library, which includes every 11 Labs voice. Click play to preview any voice, pick the one that fits, and click confirm. Scrolling down, you can choose the duration for your video: 1, 3, 5, or 10 minutes, or a fully custom length. Click next when you're ready. The platform then analyzes your story and breaks it into scenes automatically. In my case, it generated 36 distinct scenes in one pass, each with clearly written dialogue. Click Next, and it moves on to generating your characters. Watch the quality here. The characters it generates are genuinely film grade. If something's off, you can regenerate them, but honestly, I was happy with mine right away. Click Next, and now it generates a full image for every single scene, all 36 in my case. As the render hits 100%, the images populate one by one, and you can click on any image to view it in full. Not happy with the particular scene? You can regenerate individual images too, but again, everything looked great, so I moved forward. Next is the Animate step, where you have two choices: Animate 1, which animates only the currently selected image, or Animate All, which converts every image into video at once. I selected Animate All, confirmed, and watched the processing bar climb to 100%. Every static image transformed into full motion video, and the quality genuinely holds up. Click Next, and here you can add subtitles and background music. If you want subtitles, pick from the available templates. Since my video was going for a purely cinematic feel, I selected No Subtitle. For music, browse the built-in track library, pick the one that fits your tone, and click Apply. Then click Generate. A pop-up will ask you to choose your aspect ratio and resolution. Confirm your selections, click OK, and your finished video is ready. Head to Download Video and click Download Video to save it. As for pricing, MagicLight AI offers a few subscription tiers. The standard plan is $15 a month and includes up to 120 minutes of generated video, roughly 6 20-minute videos. The ultimate plan includes 300 credits per month. Pick whichever plan matches how much you plan to create. The link is in the description below. Go try it yourself and see what you can build. If this was useful, drop a like and subscribe for the next one. See you in the next video.